All right, I'm back. I'm live. I'm here. Let's see how it's going. Bitrate's still not great. Interesting. Hmm. Let's see if it improves at all. All right, well, see what it does. Otherwise, I'm going to quickly do and save for this. Ratio. Uh, I just go. It's PS. Never mind. I'm dumb. Oh. No, which one is the one currently running? That one. Jesus Christ, that's a whole mouthful. Image container ID, that's all I need right there. And YouTube here. Uh, 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 Kill. Help kill things. I'm gonna kill things on stream. Options container. Okay, okay. Sudo Docker. Yes, should show nothing. Good. Flaw. Uh, yeah, clear. Clear. Was trying to think it wasn't working very well, so we're gonna have to figure that out later at some point. Sadness, but not the worst. Bitrate's still not great, which is strange. Should be able to be pushing like 3 or 4,000, but doesn't wanna. But that's whatever. Um, what else was we doing? That's what it's doing. We're working on authorization. I tried doing the thing. Which I could probably show you. No, I can't. So there's with build. Also, it turned out I didn't have the at main declaration on my struct, so that's a goof and a half on my end. Fun, but it turned out that library, that Swift crypto thing, I don't think I'm using it correctly to digest things, even though I'm using it the way they're using it in their tests. So either A, what they're doing isn't what they expect it to do, which is possible, or B, I'm misusing it and don't understand. I asked the internet, and the internet didn't give me any answers. So, let's do some Googling real quick. 1 second. Isn't the background of this supposed to be background image? Not that one. I I want the background image, but there. Is that on my personal one? Who knows? This one. There we go. Choose. There we go. Anyway, because I like the game, so you're going to see me use it. We're going to go 1 second. Will 256 encode. And this is with CryptoKit. I don't want to use. I'm using crypto. What was it? Apple CryptoKit. Okay. You have a related thing about it? Or crypto keys? Don't wanna URL upload distance encryption app. I find it dumb that we have to comply with it anyway. All right, well there. I don't want to use CryptoKit. We're not using CryptoKit, so go away with CryptoKit stuff. Go away with this. What's that? There we go. This Stack Overflow thing, right? Yeah. Oh, God, it burns your eyes, but let's burn our eyes together. One second, real quick, so you don't have to see it. This could be an application capture. It's going to be filter display. Show full screen. There we go. Uh, anyway, I just unhide the. Yeah, Jesus Christ, that's huge. Um, Why don't I ever remember fit to screen? There we go. All right. I see this bit, which is like talking about Objective C, which technically can be compiled. And I just need to move in. I just don't know what library these are from, which is fun. So I get to Google some stuff. So 1 second. Copy that over. And then I'm going to hide this because I don't know what the hell it's going to show you when I Google things. And I don't want to. Oh, if you want to see my. There you go. That's my Safari background because I love the game. Well, looks like it's an archive thing, so that's good. Who doesn't like the old style iOS stuff? Reference macOS, macOS recommended pages. Oh, okay. This is Mac specific library. Not good. Okay. Um, we're gonna hide things again because we're about to go to Google. I don't like Google. Go into Google. All right. Now that you can't see here. With rip. Oh, okay. Well, that might make sense here. I will show you what I am reading now. Um, it's this bit. I'm saying I should move that down a little bit more. There we go. Anyway, bit. No. Also, I do love hacking with Swift. It's a great place. Apparently, I was using it wrong. Apparently, I'm supposed to just hash into it and then print the description, and then do this bit. I didn't know that. So, I guess this is what I'm going to do real quick. And then, hey, swipe over. It's the terminal. We're, see. CD. I just need to end them. Damn, my store. I don't like that. Actually, like the same side. You the same side? Nope. Are you the same side? You the same size? Yes. Because I'm bad at typing. Well, I'm not bad at typing. I'm decent at typing. It's more that I have bad posture while typing. Thus, I'm bad at typing and it's killing my hands. Sources also had a small issue one time. For some reason, just out of the blue, it was like, no, not allowed. So you'll notice that I don't have a main.swift anymore. It's a spoofy CLI Swift. Because that makes it better. Anyway, quickly. We're gonna make a static func real quick because it's gonna be easier. Oh, hey, look. Uh, it's CryptoKit. Okay. Hash description. Hashed description.data. Let me just encode that, right? How do I use this? Fuck, I don't remember. Oh, verifier encoded. Okay, so we'll still make it data, but what we'll do is hit the a dot description data using string encoding UTF-8. No idea if that'll work. Um, uh, well, all right. Let's see if that works. WQ cleared get build, not get build yet. With build. Okay. Now, actually, I probably should run pause. Nope. Clear. We'll do that. We got the build. That's fine. Boop boop. Build. Debug. Oofy CLI Swift. Pause. Music. All right. Now, massively long string, which I probably should just throw into copy. Hide this for a second. Because if it works, I'm going to be showing things I shouldn't be showing you guys. And if it doesn't, well, then I'll let you know. Fuck yeah, it worked. Okay. That's a Q. Well, it worked. Kind of. Well, no, I don't have to do my Duolingo on stream. Yo. Oh, all right. One second. We're gonna have to do one thing. You're gonna have to bear with me for a second. Camera is going to be very not usable. You're gonna be staring at a blank screen for a bit as well. Here, you gotta look at you get to look at blank screen. I'm here, wiggling my mouse. See, I know the thrill of a lifetime. Bitrate's gotten better at least. Um, Probably because it's a black screen, literally. Facebook. Sorry, I got to use my phone for things. I'm using my phone for my camera as well. Um, That is my number. Move it relevant one quick. I know. Goofy's will help here one second. I will actually over here, not we'll go here. You can kind of see me. There you go. You get to see me in slightly worse quality for a bit. I know the most interesting content right now. Eight. Gotcha. Okay. Well, that's a good bit. I'm logged in. Let's pop back over here. Pop back over here. Nope. All right. Well, see. Command V. Enter. That one. Continue. There we go. All right. This should be, according to the API documentation, it is fucking required. One second, is it really required that I have to have a code verifier? One second. Developer uh, documentation, web API. Where am I? You can see this bit. Let me see that bit, but there you go. I know it's there, so like technically it's out on the internet forever, but give me a moment. This is a required step, isn't it? Code challenge, code challenge. Okay. Hmm. S265? What's the error I'm getting? Oh, 256. I am a fucking moron. This is why dyslexia sucks, kids. Five. R5. Or six. Dumb. There. Well, I should be done with this bit. So give me a second. I'll be back to a slightly better camera. Technically the same sensor, but the processing on the iPhone more dedicated towards the process. So, Oop, oop, ooh. Oh, this is full screen. Okay. Okay. Now we can do that, do that. You guys don't need to see this bit. I know, the most interesting black screen. Exit full screen. Here you go. So you can at least see that. This one. Bitstream. All right, cool. So the bitrate was fixed by doing that. Hop into full screen again. Over there. Oh. Full screen. Oop, 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 oop. There we go. Clip, clip, clip. There we go. Oop, oop. There. Alrighty. Um, that's all good. EQ. Clear. Do. All right. Build. Uh, we'll go here. You. Copy. Put you there. Turn. Failure to authenticate. That's okay. Awesomeness. Still something worked. I don't know exactly what worked, didn't work, but something worked. Like the authentication part, at the very least, getting that code worked. Now, hmm, real problem here now is Which actually I probably should just pop up a website. Well, give me that, wouldn't it? That'd be nice. I do have the Nginx server. I can quickly put up a bit of JavaScript and HTML. Didn't think this would be that type of server service today. Clear. Here, let's see what exactly um, failed to authenticate, which would mean is it stops to read line. Please visit read line. Failure to authenticate. Okay, so it failed somewhere around here. Assuming I didn't put failure to authenticate elsewhere on there. Let me make sure I didn't do that. That one. This one. Here's the failure. Okay. So yeah. Hey. I'm back at it, I know. All right. So let's see what went wrong today. Control T back there. Back. Thank you. Ooh, how's it going? Nope. I guess I could call you by your name, but I don't know how public you are. I don't know. All right. Um, absolute string or no URL. I don't check if the data is now anyway. Uh, Response dot. Just less than. What all have I got here? I have a message. Your response should have a message, right? Class name, object class description, object specifier, MIME type. Huh. All right. Well, all right. All right. We'll leave that there and then go. Oh, print CCP res dot. Message. Message. Should have a message. Dot response. Status code. Sure. We'll just give me a status code. Print. HTTP is not ed. All header, all header fields. Ew. We'll see what that prints out and if that does anything. All right. Okay. And if this doesn't work, I'm going to build a small website, I guess, and show off my prowess as a software developer. Code. Eh. Dun, 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 dun. Copy and the oh no equal signs, nothing out of the ordinary. Gotcha. Whoa, failure to authenticate. Okay, cool, great. Um, I didn't expect that much stuff on my screen. Google Images Managers. Okay, cool, great. All sorts of Google Analytics. That's nice to know. Oh, failure to authenticate. And then boop. All and so we're going to delete that one. She's got blurry. Agree. Go here, go there. Command Shift End. Copy. Uh, it doesn't spit out a code. How interesting. Alrighty. We're gonna do something else then. One momente. Uno momente. Por favore. Da, 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 ra, da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Was not hitting this one. Hitting that one. Making a request. Doesn't like me. Okay. Well, let's just go ahead and delete that. Delete that one. We know it's getting past this bit, or else it would be failing here, not there. All right. Oh, print response. URL. Uh, solution. And then since that's that. Oh, no. Okay, okay. Oh, actually, we're gonna also um, print received. Receive the object. Uh, cool. Visit this really long URL. Agree. That's cool. We're gonna go here, go stoosh. Copy. Maybe enter. Hmm. Okay. I didn't check if data was nil, did I? Oh, shit. But now we know it's failing. So we know where it's failing now. We know that it is failing not far. We know it is failing here. So that means data is nil, which means this request is failing, which is great and awesome. But why? Now we can check, see. Oh, what do I have? Dot URL, mutable copy is equal copy is kind of is like member method uh value. None of this is useful. So yeah, well, new tab really quick. The URL request. Sorry, URL. URL request. There you go. Not request. I want response. One sec. Content length, suggest file name, MIME type, text encoding, URL. Okay. Oh shit. Print response. Or do that really quick. Response as an HTTP URL response dot response code. What is that called? Or not response code, status code, status code. Dot. And did it -1 if it doesn't exist because that works for me. And then also we're gonna wrap that again because we're gonna go boop. Response status equal that, shoot that, there we go. Didn't work. Yeah. No, no, it won't. There we go. There we go. Spotify probably getting very angry at me, but that's okay because they can be the Norwegian. Agree. Making a request authorized. Error. Oh, I, yeah, never mind. 1 second. Doot, 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 doot. That, there we go. And that. Agree. Copy. That. That. 405. What the fuck does that mean? There. HTTP response. Pretty sure it's forbidden, but 405. Method not allowed. Improper service side permissions set on file directories cause it. Okay. Alrighty. So I'm doing everything correct. It's just not liking it. Gotcha. Mm, don't like you. Everything's good except for what I'm doing. Only allows post or vice versa. I set the method, didn't I? I hope I did. 1 second. All right. Well, let's go look in them. Sources off Swift. Yes, I did. I did set the thing. Did it take it? No idea. All right. Did I screw up on that bit? 1 second. Stream management is the wrong tab anyway. Boop up here, tab up here, and then tab over here, and then go developer.spotify.com. Tutorials. That one. Yes. Should be method post. xww.form URL encoded. Good. No other headers. Should have a body. Body should work. All right. Irritation. Oh. How much you want to bet? Is required. Parameter is used for validation only. Actual redirection. The value of this parameter must be exact. You are expressing the question. Okay. Well, let's make sure redirect. What did I use for the URL in the body? Let's find out. Yes, I did find redirect. All right, good. Hmm. So verifier was good. That was good. Authorization code. Must contain authorization code. Grant type authorization code. URL. I might have to do some JavaScripting, and I don't want to. I don't really want it at all. Or I'll do Python stuff, and that's also something I don't really want to do. Um, all right. HTTP URL. This one. Thank you. All header fields. Okay. Hmm. Let's see. I don't think they give us any specifics, do they? I know it's thrilling to just look at me, look at other things, not the code in front of me. Let's still lift it up so you can't see things. Um, there you go. Yeah. Uh, Hmm. Oh. Hmm. I think I might have to redo this also. 1 second. All right. No, redoing the off flow because I think I can do it better in a different way. Hopefully I can. So, make your wait for token. Do a quick underscore PKCE. O down. Abstan. Where is it? Async and throws. Doesn't take in anything. It will be an async and throws method, and it will return a spoofy. 1 second, actually, to make this a little better for you. Because 1 second, I'm gonna whoop, whoop, whoop. Eh, full screen. 1 point. Screen manager. Full screen. What does that look like? That looks fine. Don't be watching me on a phone. That's all I gotta say. Um. Anyway, don't have vision impairments and don't be watching me on a phone. And if you need to, just zoom real hard. Ooh, the auth token. I looked that up. It B. I. Um, all right, grab client ID, which I already have. Redirect URI, which I have. Random string, I already have. Verify string equal random string. No, make it self. No, not mirror itself. Generate random string. I literally named it generate random string. Generate random string. 16. 16. Okay. I don't really give a fuck about that. State key. Do I need a state key? State key. Oh. Alright. Uh, oop. Encode URI component. URL encoded. Alright. Alrighty. I will assume that it happens. If it doesn't, oof. Search. Oop. Already know that one. Token. Client ID. And it comes back as value of the state parameter supplied in the URI. So it will be nil. X6 token. All right. And now, there we go. We'll be right here. State. Oh, okay. As long as that's state. So actually, we will make a addendum here really quick. We'll make our own little custom struct. Don't care. Shift G. O, enter. Struct. Move. B. Implicit grant. Token. This will make things a little bit more complex, but you know, it's fine. All right. Alrighty. Compatible. Boop, boop, boop. There you go. Let's see what we got. Got let access token type. Not what I wanted. Token. Let token type. Oh, let expire in and state. I let shift A string. String. Oh, not string. No, not string at all. Int. I think I'm good to call that an int. Don't have to make it a long or anything. It will be just a string as well. Oh, oops, there you go. Now shift O. Oh, nope. Not shift O, just O. Oh, pop up here really quick. Yoink. Hey, look at that. Oh, already. Base token type equals token type. Base state. State. Okay, expires out. Expires in equals expires in. All right, that's good. Now I need to go to GG. Movie and was it grant token? Optional. There we go. Time. Oh, token equals try. Wait. Well. Implicit grant. Why? I think so. Oh, oops. Um, there we go. Oh, that shift. Hey, there we go. I tab return nil. There. Uh, so we're gonna call that the state. I state. Don't like calling that state. Anyway, let's go equal that. There we go. Let URL string. Let URL string equal this bit. Um, if URL string equal authentication or auth string, self auth string, self.auth string. Need an auth string. We could just add as query parameters, couldn't we? Yeah, we could just add as query parameters. All right, cool. We'll do. So let URL equal the URL string auth thing operator. Then I need that to be a var. I var here tab I now URL dot append query parameter. Query items. Oh, all right. Let item equal that, this, not that. We want to have response type open. It'll be a string, so response type. Open. Open. Client ID equals to self client ID, client ID. Oh. Whoop. Redirect Yuri, redirect Yuri, so redirect Yuri is equal to redirect state is equal to state. Okay. All of that, there we go, boop. Backspace real quick. X. That. tab, 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 space. There you go. I, oh, shift I, tab, 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 space. I, tab, oh. Yo, now, let item stop compact map key match URL boop name key v of that the value or I val a escape a escape. Oh, value, there's that bit. Oh, I do boop boop. If I boop boop boop. No, we don't want any of that right there. So no one cares about it. I'll leave a space there. Leave a space there. We'll go da 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 da. That'll be that. And there we go. There we go. Now, oh, let data doesn't matter. Let that response equal try await. Try await URL request. URL session dot shared dot data request. It's task, not just a task. Um, right. Down. URL, URL, URL. Try to wait, and then let token equal read line. Var token. And from what I can tell, it's going to be URL encoded. Erg. So I just need to reverse this. So that actually not too bad. Let's call it fragment, right? Like I could. This one won't be as good because it doesn't allow for like the reoccurring thing, whereas the PKCE one will. That's why I kind of want this PKCE flow to work, just because it allows for iterative, like, hey, I've got an expired token. might as well just renew it. I can renew it. Um, but this one doesn't. Kind of the issue with it. I might be able to do it from Urban Plus. Refresh patients. Extra 1 hour, at the end of which new tokens can be obtained by providing original refresh tokens acquired during the others. Okay, so request access token type scope. In theory, okay. All right, and so what we will do, this will be goofy as hell, but we're gonna take it, go to that URL, right? Oh, we don't even have to go to that fucking URL, do we? If it doesn't respond back to you, it just calls a callback with the data, which is irritating, but whatever. So we don't need them, we don't need to do any of that at all. Issue, but anyway, delete. I print. Go to this URL. The URL. URL.absolute string. Shift A. One finished. Token URL. Token URL. Else. All right. Now that that's been done, we need to parse the URL dot fragment percent encoded true, I would assume. One second. Boop. URL right there, right here. Gotta go to URL. Fragment, 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 fragment. New code should use fragment percent encoded. Default is true. Returns a fragment of component, optionally removing percent encoding. Encoding case whether the URL percent encodes any result, unreserved characters, defaults to true. So I should go fragment and false. Percent encoded false, I think. This returns string. Cool. Means I can okay. Arg. Erg. Actually, I can just use their fucking example, can't I? So it would be access denied. Oh, that's good. Copy that real quick. This is probably my favorite part about WQ Swift right here. Swift. Swift REPL. Okay, clear, 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 clear. Swift REPL. Cool. Let URL URLs or boop. Oof. Bear with me. I know it's a little difficult to see, but there we go. Now we got it. This is my background image. I know, clear's nothing. Let URL string. Let URL equal URL string URL for import foundation. Done. Now do that. All right, cool. And now I want to do URL dot fragment. All right, cool. The URL dot fragment. Okay, no difference. That's good. URL dot query. Query string, query percent string. Directory appending is fire URL. All right. Returns a query component of the URL, optionally removing 80%. All right. So we'll do query. All right, so there's no nil queries. So if I went let URL2 equal I dot remove. All right, cool. Remove at URL stir dot first index of remove last first subrange filter drop last uh, uh, first index where first index of there we go. First index of hashtag. That's not what I want. No, that makes sense. Remove. I don't know if that's coming through, but um, all right. Yep. All right, cool. So here, we'll just go ahead and do it manually. Oh, never mind. We would have to replace. You know what I'll do instead? We won't even worry about it. I know what to do. I know what to do, I think. All right. We'll go ahead and hit the enter dot exit. Exit. What is exit? Exit. There you go. Clear. There. There you go. No trouble. Da 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 da. Oh, wait a minute. No, that one. And then da 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 da. That one. That one. All right. Now, got it. I think. Let's fragment now. Bar fragment. Don't know why I'm trying to do that. fragment equals URL fragment and yeah. Now what? This will be the fun part. Oh God, I don't like doing this, but let um params equal fragment dot split with that one split um all right, and I is going to choose that. All right, dot split fragment. It should be a string. Fragment is a string. I see. I have that. I that. What? That I have to specify separator. Separator. All right, good. Um, okay. Now, params that for each rent. All right. Okay. So now we have an idea. Now it would split, push into basically an array or a dictionary, have a dictionary, encode it. All right. Um, I've got it. All right, clear. In Vim, source auth. Nope. You auth. There we go. And buzzing right. All right, cool. Now I let fragment equal that. Now, oh, actually, you know what we could do? We could just hit him with a split right there. Separator. This one. Then home. My params. And now that bit O. Now. Ooh. We're gonna have a va token dictionary. Token dictionary. It's gonna be a string. All right, oh, there we go. Now, RAM dot full reach. Complete. We'll assume URL safe. All that fun stuff. So if that's URL safe and generally good there. Oh my. Very good. We're good there. All right. Um, ah, but no, it was live. He's just saying hi. Um, okay. Anyway, and since we know the structure is going to be key value, obviously we can do something called stir.split. Split separator equals. Now we'll just go. Oh, not quite what I wanted. E B I let values equal that. And oh, then we go token dictionary or values first. And then we'll here guard. So let's key equal values dot first. Oh, just first. And let value equal um, values dot last. All right, else return my key a equal value. There we go. Canceling substring as string. There we go. Oh, string. All right, you. All right, cool. Pretty much a guaranteed conversion, I'm pretty sure, but the equals right. All right. All right, cool. Done there. Let redirect was defined but never used. Was not token URL. Oh, that's the wrong URL. I was on a bad day. I Redirect. All right. Now. Oh. But data. Yeah. This will work. Well, sans encoder. Encode. Token dictionary. Fuck. Yeah. There. Right. Decoder. Oh, not decode. Decodable type is going to be my both the implicit grant. Data. Okay. Okay. Now, in theory, this will work. In theory, but who knows? Alright. Uh, oh, wait a minute. Actually, I do want to do one more thing. All right. Oop, WQ. Swift build here. Okay. Uh, build, debug, Goofy client Swift, pause, paste, redirect back here. Go to copy. Okay, did it. Good. Fatal error. Oh, did that. 1 second. Try it again. Okay, so it didn't write. That's nice to know. Or at the very least, it couldn't, right? Copy. Yep, okay. Copy. V. Fatal error. All right. So now we're gonna do at least a little bit. 1 second. I don't have any fatal errors here, right? So it's getting past this bit. And so now we're going to make this not throw, delete X, and we're going to start catching shit. Don't worry about it. No, shit, G. Oh, you, 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 you. This one I'm gonna make not throw. Getting a fatal error. I don't have any fatal errors thrown here, so I know where it's happening. We're still getting nil, but where and why? So rent, rent, token dictionary. Don't worry. O two X O X print error localize error. Oh, sorry about that part. And fulfilled. Ooh, that's fine. Those are just warnings. No one cares about warnings. Alright, let me go to this. New tab. This is some great fucking music. Hope we're still in the same thing. Alright. Okay. Sorry, I had a small panic attack. Data couldn't read because it's not the correct format. I got an idea. And it won't even revolt. Holy hell. Anyway, I'm the most interesting thing to watch. No, anyway. Don't worry about it. Yeah, let's not make it through. It'll be fine. Well, right now, let's keep it. All right. So self data access token equals JSON coding keys and access token. Yeah, fine. That value. Self such token type equals to JSON. Uh, token type value. Self dot state JSON Dakota. Coding key. That token type state. Integer. Don't worry about it. We'll get there. Um, one second. I need to figure out how to. Um, oh, good. All right. You don't need to do this bit. All right, cool, great, awesome. Now, you got to handle all the fact that these are all optional strings, which we just go boop, bang, bang, J, bang, J, bang, nope, J, bang. Gotcha. All good. And this one, bang. If it throws, it throws. You got to be good with it. All right. Good time. Now, do I think this is going to work this time? Oh, yeah. Oh, I need to write that, don't I? That's all right. failed. It will fail. Pause, but it should at least let me. Here go, boop, and a copy, boop. Failed to make the request. Yes. All right, and now did it again. Doesn't read the file, but that's okay. All right. Cool. Great. Clear. Clear. Plus home dot big. Big. Oh, there's nothing there. Cool. Clear. Clear. All right. Want to see why it's not writing now? That's not a huge deal. This is just the fun part, right? Alright, now this goes here. Go. Oh, do. Oh, match. Localized description. I'll see why it's not writing at the very least. WQ. Boom, 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 boom. Copy. No, didn't resolve it as URL. God damn it. All right. Go word. Wait. Boop. That. And come on, copy. Over here. Go. Boop. Failure. Failed to make request. File does not exist. Okay, that's simple. Switch. Clear. At source off. Anything to less. Fucking file values. Okay. Well, we got the authentication kind of working. We needed to save the token, but once we get it to save the token, I assume I'll have to figure out off stream at some point. Um, we will have a close enough to working, maybe, idea of this. Oh yeah. Let's see how this goes. What I was doing the make a directory thing was just to like make the thing so that it would exist. Apparently, it doesn't like it existing. And so I might have to look up that. I'll look up some more file operations in Swift because I'm not as familiar with that. Being an iOS developer, if it's not in the bundle, I don't know where the fuck it is in. So you know, but that's okay. Um, we're good. We're good there. I need to go in Venom. Course. Um, Oofy. And now, with everything, we're going to make all of those. This make request is going to now be a instance function because what we're going to do, it's going to be great times. Because I don't want to deal with it on every level, every function, just adding those in. We're going to boop, doop, 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 and doop, 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 doop. Okay, now. Boom, 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 boom. Bum, 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 bum. There we go. Oh, enter tab, bar, uh, token, ring. Actually, we're gonna go bloop. I private var all token string, and then O, and then init, auth token, ring. Okay, um, self.auth token equal auth token. Done. Now, got that initializer in and done. Ready to go. How long have I been streaming? I don't know. 2 hours, 2 hours, 13 minutes. I might go for another like half hour to an hour. Tomorrow is Saturday, but I do plan on editing these streams down into something. At the very least, a rough draft of the video that I will publish, and hopefully before the end of this month, publish a video on this. Um, because I like the idea of doing this and it'd be fun. But you know, I also got to shoot some B-roll for it because there are like small gags that I kind of want. I got a storyboard in my head, and hopefully I get it up working enough that it does what I want it to do. But who knows? Okay, is that it? Now we're gonna go up here once we have this bit. Okay, down. Now we're gonna go boop, 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 and an off manager. Good, great, awesome. Off manager there. Nothing really else there. No. We're going to go let network manager. Oh, not actually yet, but boop. Let network mgr equal that. Shift A, boop. Auth manager dot auth token dot access token. Now, let's quit. Shift FQ. Shift A there, or better yet, just I can't be no. How is it? How is this ambiguous? I don't believe you. Oh, that's here. We'll go bang there because the token itself is optional, not the property of the token. I always forget this about Swift, is that technically everything's optional after the first little thing, but necessarily everything past that will be there if the first thing is there. I, it's one of those I always hated about Swift, but it's convenient. It makes sense, and it's just meh. Semantics. Um, no one's in chat, I know, but that's okay. Um, e- oh, back is itching. Legend. Anyway, no, you don't need to see that right now. Hiccups today. Okay. Now, just cancel. Copy. Da, 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 da. Narrow B. E. Yoink. E. Space. Give me a second. I'm getting there. Alright. Oh. I. E. A. Space. I. Nope. E. A. Space. E. A. Space. Yeah. No. B. D. D. I. Space. Or B. E. D. I. That. B. E. D. I. That. B. E. D. I. That. Good. 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 B. E. D. I. That. Good. I. That. 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 All right. Now, Q. Oh, I'll do this one. Sorry. There. Now that we got all that bit, now we just gotta go G. There we go. Bar request equals request. Oh, var request equals request right here. Thank you. Boop. Don't need this one. I don't need you. I need this one, and I need to go to layer. Headers. Um, or have a private bunk add auth header for request out URL request. The URL request dot and the value auth token, for the header field authorization authorization. One second. One second. I should be bear base plus. And add auth header to request. Add auth header to request. Okay. Okay. Now let's try her out. Yes, we did it. It's not as efficient as I want it to be, but it is working. Copy. Nope. And all copy. Failed to make the request. Spotify. Okay, why did you fail to make the request? Oh, it failed to make the request on the pause too, but it didn't. It did. It did it. This one, it failed to make it, and it just didn't do it. Weird. Alrighty. Alrighty. Huh. But it hit a fatal error. How odd. Start a jam. Ah, all right. So pause worked. Neat. Or I got a bad false positive, which is potentially possible. Okay. So pause did work twice in a row. So that means it's working. I'm just getting a failed request for some reason. Don't know why. All right. So clear. Yeah. Source. Blue. All right. Let's see why. Gee. Well, that just seems like a bunch of wrong. There we go. Much better. Why didn't play work? That's also an interesting question. I don't know. Who's built? Place. Copy. But it didn't work. Okay, and it actually didn't work this time. All right. So, I got in the terminal. I'm trying to open the terminal. And them up. Here we go. G. G. All right. Failed to make the request. This bit. But pick up the music again. So far, pause worked. One of 5 commands works. It is possible my scope isn't correct. I don't know. Transfer playback state. Start or resume. Okay. 401. That OAuth. And the app has exceeded rate limits. Alright. How much you gonna bet I've exceeded rate limits? That wouldn't work at pause either. Alright. Failed make request with stat. Not responsive shit. HTTP res. God damn it, no. Alright, we'll have to do this. And question mark. But escape v. Fake. I negative one. Um, yeah, that tells me at least a little bit more. Also, oh, that could do. Split them up. Yeah, that might work better. There, well, then we're gonna split things up real quick. Boop boop. Else, just return. It'll. Add a response um, here. I guard that be true. Dot I HTTP res Citadel coalescing is not optional. With status code HTTP res dot coalesce. That's fine. We'll just go off the number and go from there. $405. All right. So, uh, uh, clear. All right. So I got a 405. Method not allowed. All right. What am I doing? I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to be I'm putting. That's what I'm supposed to be doing. I'm supposed to be putting. It says put. Let's authenticate really quick. Do this every time. Okay, pause still worked, and I didn't get an error. That's good. Good, 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 good. Control C. Clear. Kick on the music again. Clear. And then source lost. All right. All right. Forgot what I was looking for. Play, 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 play. Should be put. Oh, hey, it's not. See, look. Oop. Put. Put. Pause. 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 Cool. And that one just a get. Yeah. So WQ Swift build. Swift. There. Clear. With build. Cool. Clear. Um. All right. We built it. Now, what I want to do is pause. C, V, enter, that, and A, command copy, boop, boop, boom, boom, paused. All right, and then boop, all right, play. Now go here, copy, command T, command V, enter, A, command C, over here, command V, enter. Yeah. Current. Oh, V. Command V. Okay. And a copy B. Fatal error, failed request. Oh, that's right, because it's a slightly different one. I don't have the setup to that one. Okay, so current's not working. That's fine. We'll go next. W T here. Copy. Command V. Up here. And A. Copy. And V. That worked. Leave. I think it was clear really quick so there's not like a wall of security violations here. Next worked. Previous should also work based off of this logic. And Command A, enter. Up here, Command A, copy. B, enter. Okay. All right. The previous, next, pause, and play work. 4 big ones work. Currently playing, not working right now. Let's figure out why in a moment. It's possibly just a scope issue. Command W, okay. Here, clear. Pop up here, go Command W, Command Z. Okay, currently playing track. I need read currently playing in my scope. We're gonna throw it in them. Or Control T. Sources off really quick. Playback state, grid currently playing, and read playback state. Read currently playing. User read currently playing. User modify playback state. Yep. Okay. Read playback state. So in theory, unless I'm misspelling something like I am, okay. There. This is a get. It is a get. It should show that I'm currently playing The Journey. So, let's see. Current there, good, fun. Get a little chilly in here. 1, 2, 3, 4. D3D. All right. Why would it fail? Let's see. 401, 403, 429. I also want to. It's throwing here. I pros will pop over here really quick. Just have it. Okay. Boom. Optional T. Throws. No throwing. Not allowed to throw. Oh. Bar. Object. Is going to be a type T. Optional. Do do this, try that, and over fetch return object. Shift I tab. Oh. Catch. Just print. This is where I'm most concerned is it's just failing the object, not necessarily the data call itself, but the object um, encoding, decoding. Because if that's the case, then um, it's just gonna be a pain in my ass. Error. Okay. WQ. Swift build. If I can fucking spell. Um, there's gonna be a thing. That's fine. I don't give a fuck. Um, Swift has been built. Okay, the meeting of 400. Cool. Cool, cool. That seems like a forbidden, if I remember correctly. Let me just pop over here and go W command. Because 400 is not an option. It's nice to know. 400, what does 400 mean? Bad request. Request could not be understood by the server due to foul form syntax. This body will contain information. See response schema. Alright, so what we need to do then is in the case of a failure, we need to print out the data. So here. So it's not here it's failing. It's here it's failing. Okay. So, oh, data may still be there. So data. Uh, no, I mean we can just print string, couldn't we? Print string data coding data. Okay. UTF-8. I no data added. All right. Swift build. Swift build. Here. Da, 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 da. Say I. Okay, copy. Oh God! What the fuck? What unknown type track? What the fuck am I sending track for? Here. All right, let's go look at what I'm doing for play here. Do I have a body for play? Market, additional types, track. Can I do it without it? Uh, I don't need any of that. Mother. All right, clear, clear, clear. Um, and them up. Thank you. I'm gonna see what happens. Let me queue. Swift build. Okay. I legitimately hate everything, but now it's a decoding issue. Device. Did I misspell device? Bet you did. Oh, where I need to be in data models. Oop. Device. I think I did. W device. DEVICE. Oh, so I can just be null. Gotcha. Fucking great. You don't tell me these things. There's Spotify. I did. Fuck. That's okay. Copy. Release date precision. Coding it item in it. What the fuck do you mean? The one thing that should be pretty fucking constant. Developer, Spotify, say, see an action, top five share. I don't give a fuck about that. Web API. Player currently playing track. There. Go full screen on me, please. It couldn't find album. Okay. Release date precision. But it's starting to have problems with item. I'm gonna throw it against the wall, but at the very least. So now it's artist so or like the track ID item right here. Okay, so album apparently nullable. Let's try it. Album object. Album. All right, motherfuckers. I'm just gonna no. I'm getting tired of that shit here. You know what? Let's look at some fucking happy trees. C bonsai dash S. I like happy trees. Doesn't everybody like some happy fucking trees? Anyway, let's see where I'm at. Lower that a little bit. While trees are growing, I'm gonna just hang out here for a little bit, be like, hey, we did a lot. What we did, we fixed the auth. We got the auth working, not necessarily ideally working, but working well enough that we can test the API endpoints. We have found that currently playing is a pain in my ass, and we will probably just slim down the data model to the required things. So, like, we'll put in the name of the track, artists, and like um, name of track, artist, and maybe images. I don't know. Or actually, length would be a good one because in playback state would also be probably a good one. Oh, because if we did that, then we would be able to like say is playing, how long should I take, wait until I make the next currently playing, basically. Um, and in theory, you would make it every 3 to 5 minutes, right? Like it's unlikely that you're listening to, you know, fucking uh puppets, Metallica. It's gonna bug me. Master of Puppets. Fuck. Anyway, I don't want Master of Puppets. 5 hour album. Wow. Or 54 hour. Huh. Huh. But yeah, you're not gonna be listening to that constantly. So there's no like 12-minute breaks. And like obviously, you got your American Pie and everything. There are older songs that are much longer. I'm not saying that there aren't. It's just kind of one of those that you're not going to be doing those things very often. Uh, but you'll be fine. Mhm. And so it was kind of my idea is like some of it will just need to be there for like possible extension off of the script because I would like it to be something that I would put in my NeoVim so that I could just have it there in the Lua line, and then it will say, "Hey, expect to need to make this next call here at this point," and it might be a little behind, and it might lag, and that might be a bug or defect that we have to fine tune a little bit because obviously there will be times when you're like you start playing midway through a song and then you start up NeoVim and it's like, hey, it's a 12-minute song and you started on minute 15 or like minute 10, and so you in NeoVim thinks you're waiting 12 minutes and actually you've gone through like six songs by then and now it's updating finally. Like it would eventually kind of like even out to a regular interval, but anyway. Well, as I don't know how well it works. I don't know 100%. I'm pretty sure we can throw a like variable into memory and be like, "Hey, check it." Like, I know there's a run loop on NeoVim, so that's about all I got. Um, and there's event queues and things that will update, so I can at least hook into that, and then every XYZ thing, check what time it is, check what time we should expect to, you know, start time, current time, run lane, and then add the two, figure it out. It should be easy enough. At the very least, it won't be impossible. Um, okay, grab the runtime, current time, add them together, store that, and then constantly check if now is equal to then. Then, yeah, thinking too far of it. I need to figure out the PKCE as well because that will be essential for it to be part of NeoVim. Because like gist of it being that we need to be able to push, like we need to be able to re-authenticate. Eventually you'll hit a 405 or something and be like, hey, get retry. We need some retry logic, basically, is what I'm saying. And then that retry logic technically can exist. I'm not saying it can't. It will probably make it a little bit more complex, a little bit more blah blah blah, but it's really easy to do the retry stuff, especially with this simple of authentication that I'm doing. I'm not like really making my own thing. I'm just kind of hitting an endpoint. Um, so you know, um, otherwise, been a relatively productive, though not really that productive stream. Frustrating, especially that file writing. I really wish that would work right now because at the very least, if we were doing this and the file writing worked, you would only have to do it every once in a while. And so, I don't know. But anyway, I want to say goodbye. Bye.